Hi everybody, welcome back to InfoSundar YouTube channel. Here is a vacancy for the position of principal, 208 for male vacancies and 155 female vacancies for the position of for the post of principal in the Directorate of Education, Department of Education, Government Act, New Delhi. This is by Union Public Service Commission. This is invited online recruitment applications, that is called ORA, for recruitment by selection to the following positions. If you click on this one, upsconline.nic.in, you will get all the details. And what are the requirements for this particular positions here? 65 male and 41 female for OBC, altogether 106 vacancies. For SCs, 31 male and 26 female, altogether 57 vacancies. STs, 26, 13 male and 13 female. And EWS quota, 34 vacancies, 18 male and 16 female. Unreserved, 140, 81 male and 51 female. Especially for the physically handicapped, 15 vacancies, 8 male and 7 female. Out of 363 vacancies, 15 vacancies for male and 7 female vacancies are reserved for PWBD candidates. Of the 15 vacancies, 2 for male and 1 for female vacancies are reserved for PWBD candidates with disability of blind or low vision, BRLV, and 6 vacancies, 3 male and 3 female vacancies are reserved for PWBD candidates with disability of deaf and hard of hearing, and 1 male and 2 female vacancies are reserved for PWBD candidates with locomotor disabilities of both legs affected but not arms. So these are all the different varieties of reservations that has been applicable. And for these vacancies here, it is for information of all the concerned that recruitment process for recruitment to 363 vacancies, out of which 208 for male and 155 for female as per the reservations, vacancies for the position of principal in the Directorate of Education, Department of Education, Government of NCT of New Delhi, advertised wide commissions in indicative advertisement number 7 2021, published in the Employment News on 24th April 2021, with closing date of 13th May 2021, has now been reactivated. The original advertisement is reproduced below, earlier deactivated in the month of April 2021, the wake of sharp rise in the infected cases of COVID-19 pandemic. That the details advertisement, this is by ORA module by, started on 10th July, and the last date for applying is about 29th July 2021, and the printout of the application may be taken by 30th 7. However, the eligibility and other conditions as mentioned in the earlier advertisement that you can see for the vacancies remained unchanged. So this is all about vacancies here. The other details, like other details here, educational qualification must be master's degree in the recognized university, and desirable qualification is PhD, and upper age limit is 50 years. The people who have 21 to 50 age group can apply for this particular position. And a desirable PhD candidate are required desired qualification. You need to fill up the basic essential qualification and also desired qualification separately. This is what it is mentioned in the application. And note number 1, qualifications are relaxable at the discretion of the Union Public Service Commission for reasons to be recorded in writing in the case of candidates otherwise well qualified. And note number 2, qualifications regarding experience relaxable at the discretion of the Union Public Service Commission. And what are the duties and all, you can see that in the website. And also you need to provide if you have any kind of reservations, SC, ST and OBC from the concerned authorities. And the important dates here on, you can submit within the date that I mentioned earlier. So you can see all the details here in this website, ORA. ORA. ORA stands for Online Recruitment Application from UPSC. So age relaxation, of course, 5 years for SC, STs and 3 years for OBC. And the other point I would like to tell you, this, the application procedure and all, age limit and all the minimum qualification, essential, desirable qualification that you can see. And the important thing is application fee process, just to pay only 25 rupees. Okay, candidates are required to pay a fee of 25 rupees only by SBI cash, otherwise online process, and no fee for SC, ST, PW, BD, women candidates of any community. So fee is exempted for all the people. No fees, to be paid for women candidates, SC, ST, and PWBD candidates. So absolutely it is free to apply. So that try to apply. Applications without the prescribed fee would not be considered and summarily rejected. For the general OBC and EWS male candidates have to pay 25 rupees necessarily. Okay, these are all the details, and try to apply for this particular position and try to secure the principal job in the UPSC Department of Education, and try to secure the job and make your life beautiful. And keep watching my channel, Info Sundar YouTube channel, and keep sharing to many people to get more and more updates from this channel. And also my special thanks for watching this, and all, try to secure the job. Wish you good luck, all the best. Thank you one and all for watching this video.